Hi, I'm P McKinley. I'm a surgical oncologist and breast surgeon. I practice out of the Breast Health Center at Patewood, as well as the Cancer Institute over at the Memorial Medical Office Building. I chose surgical oncology because early on in my training, I met with one of my attending doctors who served as a mentor to me. And the way he was able to take care of patients, and while focusing on the very real problems they were having, he also was able to focus on their human side and take care of them as a whole person. And the way he kind of wove that into his surgical practice was something that I wanted to try to emulate. Certainly as surgeons, we're used to kind of our reputation as people that just meet and cut and move on, and he gave a very different kind of example of how one could practice surgical oncology. So ever since then, it was kind of something I wanted to do. I like that at GHS, as an organization, we've committed to developing programs that center around problems that patients are having, as opposed to centering our practices around various procedures and activities that we do. We focus our practices around the patient's problems and come together as a team to address those problems. My care philosophy is very simply to try to educate the patients about the diagnosis and then to help them understand the situation they're in and develop priorities of treatment. And then we work with the patient to see if we can meet those goals of treatment. When I'm not working, you can usually find me at home chasing my 3 kids around or being told what to do by my wife. Usually the first one is less common than the second one. So pretty much I stay at home, mostly a homebody. We do a lot of soccer for the kids on weekends in the fall and the spring, but mostly I'm a homebody. Yeah. If you wanted to make an appointment with me and you had a concern about breast care, you would call the Breast Health Center at 454-2224. If you had any other concern not related to breast, I also see patients in my surgical oncology office, and that phone number is 455-1200.